Hello, this is Not the End Crochet, and I promised to show you the stitches that I did in the cardi, and today I'm going to show you how to do a back post stitch. Now, both the front post and the back post need something to build on. I didn't show you when I was doing the front, but you got to have something for that to stand on in order for you to post in front or post in back of. So I'm gonna do a little short thing here. Get that out the way. And I've been working with large number 7 yarn, so this feels kind of funny. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 18, 19, 20. And I'm gonna do the back post double crochet. So 1, 2, and the first row is going to be of double crochets. Now this is what I'm going to build the back post double crochets on. And I'm going to continue with this all the way down to the end of the line, then I'll be back. Okay, here are your double crochets. Went all the way to the end. I'm going to chain 2. Some people chain 1, I always chain 2. Turn my work. And now I'm ready to do the back post. And it's just the opposite of the front post. Let me pull this up a little bit. You know, I sometimes forget that this phone can do that. Yarn over from behind, pull through, pull through. Run over, go to the next stitch, and if you have trouble threading the needle around, you can always push with your thumb. See, it's creating this ridge. So like sit down on it. There you go. Yarn over from behind, in front, and back out again. Whoops. Try that again. Yarn over, go around in the back, pull through, yarn over, 2, yarn over, 2, yarn over, from back, between, pull, 2, 2, yarn over, go to the next one, come back, 2, 2. I don't know what's going on with that one. Put it down. was caught up in my loops. Okay, I'll be back with you when I'm through. There you have it. It's in the back. There it is right there. I'm going to continue. The back post. It's a little more trickier. Let's see if I can get you to see what I'm doing. Right here. That's what I'm coming through. Okay, right in here. Okay, we can get that one. All I'm doing is back post, double crochet. Oh, I might have should have did that one, I don't know. But I'm just trying to demonstrate. Yeah, it looks like it's stitch is like sitting back on it. And that's how you do a back post double crochet.